Hey guys, and welcome to the Akinon's YouTube channel. In this video, we will understand the application of the global statement in Python. So let's get started. Before we understand what is this global keyword in Python, let's understand this simple code that I have written down. So first what I do is I initiate a variable that is value of initiation with the value 0. Then I create a simple test function that basically takes in a number as an argument, and then what it does is it equates the value to the number that we put it in the function, and then it prints the value, as simple as that. Then I run the test function with the value of the argument as 10, and then I again print in the value just to see the change in the output. So now if I run the program, as you can see in this function, I change the value of val from 0 to 10, and you can see in the output that is working out. But then I wanted the value 10 to be remained. I want it to be remain present inside the main global variable that is val present over here. But as you can see, that does not work out, and the value gets rechanged or reset to the previous value that it took, that is 0. So this isn't a syntactical error, but can cause a lot of errors in your projects or programs. So here is where the global keyword comes into use. So the global keyword is basically used to initialize and tell Python that a global keyword is used, and this global values will be saved inside that variable even in function calls or class calls, etc. So basically what happens is, here in this function call, we change the value to 10, but after the function is ran and executed, the value and the data of that current 10 value gets erased from memory, and that is why 0 gets printed right over again. So now we have to tell Python to save that memory, that is 10 value, and to do that we need to use the global variable. So I'll again just say global val. So basically I'm placing it inside the function and saying that global val means I want the val to be initiated as a global variable. And now the function is pretty much the same. If I run this, as you can see, the value remains the same irrespective of any location changes made inside the program. So this is the use of global variable in Python. It's very useful when you're complicating and using variables in different functions, since it gives us a power and flexibility of making use of variables. If you like this video, don't forget to drop a like and share it with your friends, and subscribe to the Akinon's YouTube channel for more fun and interesting videos.